हाँ जी ज़रूर। मैं बचपन से लेके अभी तक मेरा हमेशा एक पेट रहा है, डॉग पेट, एंड यू नो आई कम हियर टू सपोर्ट दैट कॉज। नॉट ओनली डॉग्स, आई थिंक हर किस्म के पेट, चाहे कैट हो, डॉग हो और किसी का एनिमल हो, आई थिंक दे ऐड सो मच टू योर लाइफ, एंड यू नो दिस इज ऑल वी कैन डू टू गिव देम बैक। इन लोगों को एक तो अवेयर करें कि उनके लिए हम क्या क्या चीज़ें कर सकते हैं, जैसे अगर मेडिकल हो या अडॉप्शन हो, एंड सेकेंडली जस्ट टू सी एंड एन्जॉय देयर ब्रीड्स। यहाँ पे डॉग शो भी था, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और फनी कैटेगरीज थी मैम ने बोला। सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव। आई हैव कम हियर टू सपोर्ट एनिमल एंड एज एन एनिमल लवर come here and hope they all have a great evening. शादियां हो रही हैं यहाँ पर। I know, मैंने सुना तो बहुत, ये पहली बार मैंने सुना है कि यहाँ शादियां हो रही है पेट्स की, तो आई थिंक बहुत ही क्यूट है और बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग है, बिकॉज मी बीइंग अ डॉग लवर वुड नो कि मज़ा आता है इन चीज़ों में अगर आप देखते हैं कि किसी के आपके डॉग को मेट मिले या आप उनके पपीज करें। Exactly. Yeah, so it's progressive also. Yeah, exactly. So ma'am being very progressive. We start with dating and then we see where it goes. Yeah.
What do you have to say about the initiative which Pita ma'am and Sankal?
Yes, I just said, जैसे मैंने कहा, I think it's a wonderful initiative, and I think it's for all pet lovers, and not only dogs or cats. I think many more animals need to be taken care of in India, and it's great to see them all come. And I was surprised to see इतनी अच्छे breeds और cute dogs have come from not only Mumbai but outside as well. So yeah, I hope this happens every year and I can get my pet next time. Next time I'll get Oscar. अभी मैं सीधा flight से आया हूँ, I couldn't get my dog Oscar, so next time.
We need the support from person like you who's really an ardent animal lover.
Yes,
so definitely, which gives us boost and energy, and we will definitely keep it continue doing this. And spread the love with animals.
We have a
with all the
question
angels.
because we've been following his Twitter things and his Facebook things and his pictures with the dogs on Facebook.
Because I'm obsessed with my pet.
Yes, I know. And
I must tell you, like when I called, I just messaged him, "Are you an animal lover?" So immediately I got the reply, "Yes, I'm an animal lover." So then I told him, "We are doing this." He never took up 1 minute to just say yes to me, really, because it was so appreciating, really so.
इनिशिएटिव बहुत क्यूट है, लेकिन ब्रीडिंग एक बहुत बड़ा साइड इफेक्ट लोगों को आमतौर पर नजर आता है। उस पर कुछ कहना है?
Sorry.
Well, I think that is when it happens unofficially, or when we don't know of pets who are breeding, or that's again with the dogs who don't have homes. So that's where adoption comes into play, and neutering comes into play, where vets need to be more, we're bringing out awareness to and support that cause if there's any money required for that. And yeah, I think that's where ma'am is also will bring up awareness as well.
Yeah, basically we are animal lovers, so we just don't see whether it is stray, whether it is breed, or this is just to spread the love, and we are spreading love to everybody, like even the breed dogs, even the cats, even the stray dogs, everything. That's why the adoption is there.
To support the government, yeah, I would just complete the statement. There should be moral in whatever you do. If you breed dogs, if you keep dogs, I don't know. Breeding is not a problem, crime. If the people do it unethically, immorally, it's wrong. It's absolutely wrong. The practices should be stopped. But if it's done with a lot of moral, with a soul, with a heart, it should not be a problem. Yes.
बहुत यार, I've grown up with dogs in my house in Delhi, and एक बहुत ही फनी किस्सा है, जब मेरे घर वालों ने मुझे पेट एक गिफ्ट किया था, which was a dog, or what we thought was a male dog. मैं तब I think 10 साल का था, और मैंने उसको पपी को, वो 2 हफ्ते का या 3 हफ्ते का पपी था, उसको मैंने काफ़ी खिलाया पिलाया, नहलाया विलाया, और जब आप 1 महीने बाद उसको वेट पे लेके जाते हैं तो आपको फॉर्म भरना होता है। तो मुझे बोला गया था कि वो मेल डॉग है, मतलब कुत्ता है, तो मैंने फॉर्म में वही भरा। वहाँ पे जाके मुझे वेट ने बताया कि ये गलत है, ये फीमेल। तो that's how I got my first dog, was actually a female, and it was pretty interesting कि मैं उसको 1 महीने तक उसको was treating like a dog, but she was actually a bitch. How was the Valentine's Day? अरे suddenly, अच्छा, Valentine's Day was very good, yeah, it's like any other day.
We saw the pictures with Alia Bhatt, you entering Alia Bhatt's house.
Where
No controversial question. Only about the.
वो तू था वो। I'm doing what? No, there's any film that I'm doing right now is Ittifaq, which I start tomorrow. Nothing else is official.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you, Siddharth.